Hawaii Akea, Hawaii Atea, Hawaii Atea. This song is a modern one, and it expresses the love that my hula brother had for Hawaii when he was traveling the mainland United States in New York and LA to become an actor and a model and a director. He then became the lead in The King and I in London for 2 years. And so he was away from Hawaii for such a long time. So when he came back, he felt this pain and longing to be back with his mother. Not his mother who gave birth to him, but his mother in his home, Hawaii. And this expresses that love. And then it goes into an English song that really expresses how we feel about being here in Aotearoa. And that phrase is, it feels like home. And so we'll let this song really, music and dance crosses language barriers. And if you just feel this music like we do, then it will hit your heart deep. Are you guys okay with it here? You guys got enough space? Okay.
Makes me want to lose myself in your arms. There's something in your voice makes my heart beat fast. Hope this feeling lasts the rest of my life. If you knew how lonely
emotional because we leave tomorrow. And it's been so wonderful to be here. I want to bring two gentlemen out to dance for us. Hawaiians, I'm trying to say this for an adult audience so you can understand. This song is called, did you find it, Val? You found it. You're looking. I hope it's there. Is it? If not, I'll just have to do it a cappella. Tebe tebe is a goby fish. Compared to a certain male body part. That's all I'm going to tell you. That's all you need to know. Children, it's the nose. It's like a goby fish. Yes or no? Oh, let's do this. Ready? Let's do this on the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, Louis, tebe, tebe, ta'amayana, tebe, tebe, aitalani, tebe. It's a touch the heavens. Toheo, heo, tebe, tebe, ching, 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 ching. Pa, kaluma, tebe, tebe. Pa, it's in the hands. Tebe, tebe. It's going back and forth because the fish, kids, is really moving a lot. And we catch the fish in a net, yeah? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. I just didn't give you the Hawaiian. 1, 2, oh, enters the net. Right? You catch the fish in the net, yeah, kids? Yeah, and last time. This says, please be careful. Please be careful. Or the net is going to open and that fish will swim to another place. One more time. For all those goby fishes in the audience. You guys know the story about the fish? How we catch the fish? If you try it with your bare hands, what is it going to do? It's going to like swim away, right? Good job. Alright. Adults, what's wrong with you? Get your mind into the fishnet. Okay. We went to see the Hokule in Auckland as it was, it's docked at Maritime Museum there. And we did this song, Nape'a o Hokulea, which means the sails of Hokulea, written by Roland Casimiro in the 70s during the renaissance of Hawaiian culture, music, and dance. This is Nape'a. Listen for my name at the end. My name is Lana Kila. Okay? Just listen at the end.
Come
I'm an artist and I like to create and I like to find new ways of choreographing and bringing music to life. And so this one is called Te Moana. It's you know Te Moana? Is that your name? Where's Te Moana? How are you? Te Moana Pehea boy. How are you? Good, good. So this is for you. We brought this to Aotearoa for you, Te Moana. Te Moana, what does that mean?
The ocean?
The ocean, yes. This song says, the ocean is a place where you can go. We all lead busy lives, and if we need refreshing and reviving, the ocean is there for us. It may sound like a love song, but the composer, and they're both from Auckland. You have the group Aonua, you guys know who they are? You should look this up if you don't, because this music is incredibly beautiful. And so, the costume is not traditional. It's just one of my crazy ideas. Hope you enjoy this, Te Moana. come here. Is Christian there? I'm like, what are you wearing? Just kidding. Can you guys go open a little bit? He's gonna put his feet right there. And I don't know what they smell like, so. Christian is a quite talented young man. He plays football, he does soccer, track, dances hula. What a great balance. And also plays guitar, and we're going to show you slack key, which is a way of retuning the guitar and we're going to sing this song Heat Melter.
Umakakai naya hila, kapapalo himea o mauke. Pakemle mai.
Oh, you need the words here. I'll let him sing the second verse. You need bigger font. Good.
Pakemle mai a wigru iwainu, awale a une kumi waitio. No punate mai hali amai, no ikawai a oriawe. Ailari ame na hapua, umakakali mai a oriawe.
David Clark was an avid surfer. You guys know Wayne? What you guys doing? What song? They all? Okay, so hold on. So there's a curtain there, you can't see them passing. What you looking at? So Kalako was an avid surfer, and there's one day he was out surfing at He'eia, but actually that's on Hawaii Island. Because there's one on Oahu as well. And he saw this beautiful woman that's sitting on a mat on the shore. And what do you think? He thought, she's watching me. I'm so good. But when he went to the shore, she wasn't there. So he was a little eha ikapu'uwai, he was a little bit sad. But this talks about the surfing and this one incident with King David Kalako.
Hey,
Are we ready for our last pieces? Thank you guys all for sitting here for over an hour. We're supposed to be done at 1:30, but thank you for sticking with us. And shirt by Kia Kaha. Is there a company still in existence? Because I can't find it. No? Because I want some online only. Last time I went to the store, yeah? But I love their stuff. In fact, that red and black shirt that you saw, I bought the material in Porirua, went home and sewed it, brought it back here. This last piece was entitled Ealae. What it means is to wake up. To wake up to that which is before us, because the future needs us to take care of our land, to take care of our culture. As all indigenous people go through other influences coming in and colonizing, we know how that is, to be able to try to balance being who we are through our ancestors and still operating in a Western society. How does that work? It works by us holding on to the culture. I'm going to ask you folks if you can go over that way, and if we can clear this aisle, because the dancers are going to come down a little bit. If you just go against those chairs, you'll be okay. If you guys just smash against the chairs, don't make tight like sardines. Go close, because they're going to walk in here and they might be dancing in here, okay? If you guys can go against there, because they're going to walk inside here. We thank you, Keiki, for coming. My message is you guys are our future. Yeah? Yes? Yeah. Take care of the land. Recycle. Right? But take care of your own culture. We all come from different cultures. And we all have our own identity that we need to malama. Malama? So many words that you're hearing through our language are so similar because we are related. And it's always good to see you all, to be here at Te Papa, to be able to share my kids with all of you. I'm so proud of them. They've learned so much since we've been here about themselves, about your culture. But what they have to do is to hold steadfast to who they are as individuals, as Hawaiians, as Japanese, as Filipinos, wherever they come from, that they have to maintain that for the generations to come. So this says,
E ala e, wake up.
Be the voices behind the face, the Hawaiian nation, the Hawaiian race. Rise for justice, the day has come, for all our people to stand as one.
in Ohana, which goes back to 2005 and continues and continues and continues. Thank you for being here. To my bro, Future, and Tanya, thank you for being here. And to all of you, spread the word. The greatest gift that we can give is love. Thank you for that today. Hello. We're going to take a group picture, so if you want to, we just want to cement this in our memory because this space is so special to us. And these are all the dancers, all of my students who have graduated and continue to help me come. All those that have traveled with us, please come. Kamika, Valley, Stevie. Who's taking the picture? Me? Who's taking the picture? Kirby, thank you for all your hospitality. Woo! We are smiling. Is everybody here? Gile. Where? Gile. Oh. Check. Homestay check. Okay. Where's Arden? Okay, count. You guys can count and we'll have nice faces. Kali, Lua, you. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep smiling.